Hey, what's up, creator? This is Creation with this channel. In this vlog, I just want to show you how to create this object overlay photography. So, subscribe to the channel if you're new yet because I promise you're gonna love the rest of my content. I promise. So, let's get started. In this video, I just want to show you how to do my overlay photography. Like you see this part Instagram about 2 weeks ago, I posted a photograph. So this is the video. I'll show you how I created the image. So subscribe to the channel if you're new here, slap the like button, hit the like button, and hit that bell button to get notified time and drop some cool project because I promise you're gonna love the rest of my content. I promise. Yeah. So let's get started. First you're gonna have to look out for is your object. Is an object. Just look for object around you. Look for object around you. Look for detailed object like rope, like a screwdriver, just this brush, even your lens cap, workbench, your surface. Make sure you do a rough surface. So with your brick, like your broken floor, like your cracked floor, your cracked wall, your rug, your couch, everything works best. With this surface, just look for detailed surface around you. Just look for detailed surface around you to overlay this object on. So the next thing you're gonna have to do is standing over the objects. Make sure you are like over the object to get that overlay perspective. So let's take this shot. Boom! I'm gonna show you how to do this in the next one. So peace out. Check it out, guys. Show me some love for me, show me your help on my Facebook page. I really appreciate that.